One of the biggest mistakes I made when doing the solid axle conversion is actually rushed painting everything. I think because I was so excited. We just went through, once everything was welded and cooled down, I just went over it with some gal paint and that was it. The problem was it came off pretty quick after a while, so I was constantly having to get under there every couple of months and touching up the chassis so it looked nice again. But recently what I did with all those sections where the paint was coming off, I went through and wire wheeled all the steel and then coated it in Brunox and then coated over the top of it in chassis black. It's been a couple of months and it hasn't shown signs of coming off. Even on my Redlux project, any steel I weld, brackets I make, bare metal or rust repair, I give it a coat in this first. All I've been doing is just cleaning the bracket I've made, then coated it in Brunox and left it to dry before painting it. You can get it in 1 litre and 5 litre bottles if you've got a bigger project, but to be honest, I've actually been using the aerosol can because it's super quick and easy. So if you're like me and you do a fair bit of work with steel, I really recommend you give this stuff a go.